As Summer mentioned, today we're going to be talking about Gemini AI and unveiling Google's next generation AI model. So we talked about things like ChatGPT in the past, and Google sort of realized if they want to keep up, they got to make their own as well. All right, so in this presentation, we're going to introduce Gemini on what it is, why it matters, some of its key features, how it can be used, a demo video showing its capabilities, and a conclusion. All right, so why do these AI assistants matter? Well, AI assistants like Gemini are transforming how we humans interact with technology, and they can do anything from simplifying our daily tasks like creating grocery lists to tackling complex problems. Now, to get to Gemini, you're just going to want to search up gemini.google.com. But also, often nowadays, when you search up a question on Google, Gemini will pop up with an answer all on its own. So, Gemini is Google DeepMind's brand new AI model, and it aims to outpace competitors by integrating advanced reasoning capabilities and multi-processing designs. So it's going to be able to enhance how AI-human interaction occurs in more practical ways, just like how we'd Google a normal question. They think we can now use Gemini as well. So this actually had a really quick development. It started in 2022 when Google merged with DeepMind's AI team. In 2023 is when ChatGPT 4 came out as a competitor. And as you can see, it's a very quickly developing and intriguing field with a lot of competition. And so far, ChatGPT has been the leader, so Google's trying to change that. So what are some of its key features? Well, it's able to understand text, images, and even other videos and media, like from YouTube. It also has advanced problem-solving skill and can adapt in real time based on your questions. And it integrates seamlessly with various Google products. So now here's an example of Gemini. So I just searched up Google Gemini, clicked the first link, and it took me to this web page. I decided to test it out by asking a question about science. Here I was interested in dark matter. And just like you would regularly Google a question, I just typed it in, and Gemini gave me an answer about what it is, and a complete explanation in a more condensed way than what you would regularly do, which would search the question and then click a couple links on Google to find the answer. So it's more so personalized, as it says over here. So what are some of its applications? Well, in healthcare, it can help doctors with diagnosing and summarizing research. In education, it helps students as well as teachers design their different teaching use designs. And in business, it helps customer service and analyzing different data trends. But what we're concerned with is its everyday use. And that's going to help users manage tasks, emails, and ask questions about anything. And of course, a lot more. So I mentioned some of its competitors. So let's compare it with GPT-4. Gemini is more so focused on reasoning and its multimodal abilities, which just means answering multiple questions with follow-ups. And in some cases, it's better than GPT-4 because it's integrated with Google applications that you might use, like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, etc. So all in all, it's a better option for Google-related apps. Now, of course, with AI models and online in general, what's important is safety and security. So with Gemini, your user data is protected and it won't keep any of the data you send it. But of course, don't send it any private information. There's also less bias, and training data is monitored to avoid these harmful stereotypes. And its explainability ensures that AI decisions are transparent and obvious, so it's easy for you to understand. And now, how Gemini can help seniors? Well, it's helped simplify your daily tasks, so you can use voice commands to set reminders, alarms, and appointments. And it can even help with online shopping, like we saw in the video, or managing these different schedules like medications. And finally, its tech accessibility. It's very user-friendly, and its conversational interface is tailored for ease of use. It's just like you're speaking to another person almost. So as I mentioned before, Google's available or Gemini is available for use in almost all of our Google apps. And here's an example in Google Sheets where you can see the Gemini icon in the top right corner, and it'll help you with your tasks. In this case, it can help you write or clean up your drafts, and it just goes on and on and on. So it helps enhance connections and learning as well. So it'll help you stay connected by sending emails or video calls or even connecting on social media. And with lifelong learning, it gives you the opportunity for instant answers that are real time, language learning, and how to guidance on new skills. So, in conclusion, Gemini represents this next leap for Google in AI with the multimodal, reasoning powered, and user focused developments. And it's designed to make AI interaction seamless, but also practical. Thank you for listening.